Now, I'm going to explain to you how you can build a website in 1 minute and earn extra income by selling it. And all of this without knowing how to code or design. How is that possible? Of course, thanks to AI. First, go to Render Forest via the link I left in the description. Then you can log in by clicking Start Free for free. I'm logging in right now. After logging in, you can either click the Website section in this menu or click the AI Website Builder category from the top menu. As soon as you log in, a screen like this appears. Here, you enter what your website is about, click Generate, and wait for your website to be created. Let's quickly look at some examples below. There is a marketing-related website example, an example site related to crypto, about makeup, about yoga, again, an education platform that gives online yoga lessons, a website related to fitness, real estate, photography, donations, and courses. These are, of course, just examples. We'll create our own website and also make edits on it. Just below, they've added tags to give you ideas, like marketing and online course. I also see yoga here. Since it's in my area of interest, I will have a website designed where I can give an online course about yoga. I immediately add the yoga option here. I also add online course and click on Generate AI Website. It asks for my company name. Let's write it down right away, Woga. Then, it asks you to explain what the company is in a few sentences. Let's write that quickly too. Let's click Next. There are style options here. It's divided into minimalist, elegant, creative, and professional. Since the minimalist choice is more suitable for yoga, I'm choosing that. Let's immediately click Generate Website. Wow! The site is ready, friends. I can start giving yoga courses right away. Let's scroll down to see what's here. It uploaded a beautiful photo of women doing yoga, and here there are details about the yoga course. All of this was prepared entirely by itself. It's a vertically scrolling website like this, and this is the desktop view. A contact section has also been added here. From the top menu, we can scroll directly to the related sections of the page. Here's how the site will look on a tablet. Let's take a look. So we can see that the website also has mobile and tablet-compatible versions. Let's also check how it looks on a phone. It's a single-page website that continues smoothly downward. Now, how are we going to use this website? First, let's look at editing. I click Edit from the right menu. In this area, I can make any kind of additions I want regarding the website. It opened an area where I can immediately upload my logo. If you have a logo, you can upload it here. For example, I didn't like the color of the service button. When we hover over it, the settings section appears. When we click settings, we can change its name. So instead of service, we can write something else. Apart from that, when we click here, what feature should it perform? Should it open a new page? Scroll the page? Scroll down? Or maybe start a phone call? It has such functions. You can also choose these. There is no color option here. I canceled that. The colors are probably over here. I immediately come to the left menu. I selected the color section here. I can change the theme with different color palettes. For example, I want to look at softer colors. Yes, these colors are more suitable. Let's come to style selection. Here you can make the buttons more rounded or more angular. For example, I'll click right away. Look at the change in the contact button. It made it angular. This one is more oval. This made the corners rounder. Let's keep it like this. Let's take a look at the event section. It opened a pop-up immediately here. When we click Create, let's briefly check that too. But it's not very useful for us right now. Here, let's say I'm going to organize a free yoga event on my website. From here, by selecting a suitable theme, I can actually announce the event to users entering the website as a pop-up. I can design it here. I'll close this. Now, when we click Share, I can invite people to co-edit this website with me. I can share this link with different people and allow them to edit it on my behalf. Let's say I worked with a copywriter. They can log in and add the text themselves. Let's close it and look at widgets. I can integrate plugins like Messenger, WhatsApp into the website from this section. Since I'm launching a yoga course, I can also easily add these to the website so people can reach me more easily. Let's close this too. Let's quickly look at the settings section. Here, I can change the display name of my website. It says it automatically creates a sitemap. This is actually an XML file that lists your website's pages more for the SEO side. And by uploading this sitemap to tools like Search Console, it helps your pages get indexed faster by search engines. Apart from that, you can add a favicon. Here, you can also upload your social media images. So this is the area where you upload what preview image should appear when we share the link of this website on Facebook. In the domain section, it seems RenderForest gives us the option to use a free subdomain. So without buying a domain, we can publish our website under RenderForest. If we want to get a custom domain, then they ask us to upgrade our package. Once we make a payment, we get our domain, like an address such as woga.com, and we can build our website easily. Let's immediately look at the marketing integration section. What's here? If you use this tool, you can directly connect it to this website and track or improve your website's keywords using this analytics tool. Then you can connect your Facebook here. Apart from that, if you upgrade your plan, you can also integrate tools like Google Analytics, AdSense, and Site Manager. Let's check out the cookie section. When you open a website, a field appears asking you to accept cookies. A notification area. Websites are required to do this. Since they collect data from you, you need to show this banner, and this is the area where you determine the text that will appear here. Let's look at the language part. This is actually the best part. Right now, it asks you to upgrade your plan, but it's a feature that allows you to automatically create your website in different languages. I'm closing this area now, so how will we publish this website? There's a publish button at the top right. When you click here, it offers you the option I just mentioned. If you don't have a domain, it says use RenderForest's subdomain. So I'll write Woga here. I'll have an internet address like woga.renderforestsite.com. I can publish my website here. Or of course, you may not prefer this. But since it's free, maybe you'd want to try it. If you're providing a service to someone, if you're going to sell this website and say the domain will be included in the package, then you upgrade your plan here. You can also get the domain they want via RenderForest. Let's immediately check out the plans. Yes, right now, if you purchase the annual plan, there is also a 60% discount. By paying $7 monthly, you can create a website and sell it to others at any price you want. Keep this in mind as a method of earning extra income. Yes, as you can see, we created a website in 1 minute with the help of RenderForest, that is, artificial intelligence, and we can sell this website. The application is simple. You can also use this method either to generate extra income or just for personal use. What do you think about this money-making method? I'm waiting for your opinions in the comments. And if you found the video useful, don't forget to like it.